Unstoppable Teams by Alden Mills. Unstoppable teams do not have the space for big egos or Rambo-like characters. Instead, teams become unstoppable when each individual is committed to each other and to working together in pursuit of a common goal. The strongest teams have complementary character traits that, when combined, will make the whole team stronger than any one individual would be on their own. It is the team leader's responsibility to establish an environment where all team members can be successful. They should demonstrate mutual respect, create a care loop, and establish an environment where continuing education is enabled and encouraged. They should also connect with team members physically, mentally, and emotionally. The most effective teams are the ones where each team member cares for and is committed to each other. Unstoppable teams are committed. Contrary to what you may see in movies like Rambo, elite military units like the SEALs, Green Beret, Rangers, Delta Forces, and other special operations commands do not succeed based on the actions of lone wolves. In fact, they look down on lone wolf Rambo characters because, in the real world, goals are achieved in the military and elsewhere through the coordinated teamwork of multiple individuals working together towards a common goal. Navy SEALs often aim for big goals, called over-the-horizon goals. Because these goals have a lot of unknowns, unstoppable teams are needed in order to achieve them. Truly unstoppable teams are committed, coordinated, have a diverse set of skills, and are able to set aside their own desires for the good of the team. They share the same goals and are committed to helping each other achieve these goals, even under difficult circumstances. Unstoppable teams can be found anywhere from the military to the corporate world to sports, and most unstoppable teams are modeled after the way special operations units are organized. The most effective teams care strongly for one another. Most teams will not perform at their best if they are working for a faceless corporation that they do not feel connected to. But putting people together in teams who care deeply for each other will yield the best results. For example, the De La Salle High School football team in Concord, California, is an unstoppable team. They won 151 consecutive games from 1992 to 2004 because the team thought of themselves as a family and were committed to working together and winning together. No one team member thought they were better than the others. If one player let their ego get in the way, they would be benched no matter how talented they were, because commitment to the team came before all else. Their coach, Bob Ladouceur, was a strong team leader who exemplified team commitment, even turning down other jobs in order to stay at De La Salle with his team. Effective team leaders motivate and educate their teams. Team leaders make their teams more effective by serving as good role models. Effective leaders can demonstrate good behavior by using the focus, feel, act formula. Leaders understand they do not have control over everything, but they do control their own feelings, actions, and how they respond to circumstances that life throws at them. Team leaders should keep this in mind when faced with difficult circumstances. First, they should focus on what they can control and not on what they can't. Then, they should use their best decision-making to choose what they feel is the best course of action. Finally, they should act on behaviors that will have the best chance of yielding the desired results for their teams. Team leaders should also be good role models by demonstrating active respect. They should realize that their position of authority grants them a certain amount of respect, but the most important type of respect is earned through their actions. Good team leaders also regularly publicly recognize the achievements and skills of individual team members and demonstrate respect to each member of the team. Mutual respect and consideration motivate and empowers all members of a team. Teams also excel when they are empowered to continue to further their own education. Ongoing opportunities for training and education enable team members to continuously improve their performance and themselves, which strengthens the whole team. For example, Navy SEALs are constantly undergoing specialized training and taking classes to improve their skill set, whether it be in sniper training or jump school. They are then taken on specialized missions where they can practice their new skills in a hands-on environment. Good leaders recruit strong team members. Team leaders will also have better results if they utilize good team-building efforts. The strongest teams are diverse and include a range of different people with stakes in the goal. Unstoppable teams are 10 times more effective than regular teams because they define their teams broadly and use everybody's skills to achieve the best results. The best teams have a diverse but complementary skill set. When put together, each individual's skills make the team stronger than any one individual would be on their own. To make unstoppable teams, the strongest team leaders recruit team members with 7 essential character traits. First, unstoppable team members are competent. They are self-directed and able to learn and develop skills on their own. They are efficient and able to quickly apply the benefits of their new skills. Secondly, great team members have a good sense of perspective. They are able to understand how their previous experiences have influenced their decision-making and can use this knowledge to continue to grow and develop new skills. They have a growth mindset and are willing to put in the hard work necessary to continue to grow and improve. Third, all unstoppable team members need to demonstrate strong communication skills. They will need to be able to clearly and efficiently communicate with each other and explain their emotions and reasonings calmly, clearly, and honestly, even when discussing sensitive or difficult topics. Fourth, team members should be ambitious. They should have an innate drive to do well and display a can-do spirit. A single negative thinker can bring down a whole team, so all team members must encourage each other to exceed expectations, perform the best that they can, and not accept mediocrity or quitting from each other. Fifth, while team members should be driven and ambitious, they should also be humble. Good team members understand the importance of working together and do not let their egos overshadow the team. Instead, they should demonstrate inclusivity and respect towards everyone, encourage teamwork, and think about the good of the team over the good of the individual. Sixth, team members should be open-minded and able to adapt quickly to new ideas and circumstances. They should not become complacent or comfortable, but willing to embrace change and adapt in the face of new challenges. Lastly, all good team members should demonstrate selflessness. They should put others before themselves and concern themselves with putting the good of the whole team before themselves. The care loop. The most important traits an unstoppable team has is that each member cares for one another, shares the same goals, and understands the tasks they must complete to achieve these goals. To encourage a sense of caring amongst team members, they should perform 4 essential acts of caring: connect, achieve, respect, and empower. Team members should connect with each other on a physical, mental, and emotional level. To foster a strong sense of connection between team members, team leaders should encourage strong communication, both verbal and nonverbal. Around 55% of communication is nonverbal and takes place via gestures and body language. Eye contact and a confident posture can ensure your message is communicated more effectively. Team members also have to respect each other. Team members can earn respect through their reputation and credibility. They must have a strong sense of integrity and be reliable so other team members know they can count on them. They should also be willing to accept when they've made mistakes, hold themselves accountable, and use mistakes as an opportunity to learn and improve in the future. To maintain a reputation as a credible team member, they also need to remain consistent in their actions. They should remain committed to the team and to their goal, even when they encounter setbacks. The 5 A's of achievement. Teamwork is successful when the team achieves its desired results and accomplishes their goals. The best way to ensure teams achieve success is when the team leader implements the 5 A's of achievement. The first step is for the team leader to encourage his team to aspire to greatness. The team leader should direct the members' skills and abilities towards achieving the desired goals and instill confidence in the team members that they will be capable of achieving success. Secondly, the team leader should assume responsibility for ensuring the team has all the necessary resources it needs to achieve success. The team leader is tasked with securing financial and logistical support so his team members can focus on achieving their best results. The team leader also has to assess their team. It is the leader's responsibility to conduct performance assessments of other team members and let them know where their strengths are and where their weak spots are so they can improve. A strong team leader also assures their team. When team members have doubts, they must be able to come to their leader to gain perspective and receive encouragement. The team leader keeps everyone's focus directed towards their purpose and reminds them of the progress they have already made. Lastly, a good team leader appreciates their team. They show gratitude and appreciation for all the hard work their team members have put into achieving success. The main takeaway. Unstoppable teams are created when groups of individuals come together with a diverse and complementary skill set that makes the group stronger than the individual. An environment that fosters mutual respect, commitment, and caring will cultivate unstoppable team members. Team members who are committed to each other and to achieving a common goal will achieve far more together than they would otherwise.
Hi, I'm Rhonda, and this is an exclusive audiobook video recorded for the Audiobook Master Channel. Enjoy your audiobook and have fun learning. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button so you'll get updated on our next upload. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up and say your thoughts about the book we just covered. Do you want to listen to a summary or review of a book that we haven't covered in the past? Say it in the comments below or send us a message. Don't forget to check our other uploads. Enjoy listening!